Hello Jaguars! Today I will be showing you how to request your student ID for Southwestern College. Dear student, note that obtaining a Southwestern ID is essential for student transactions and identification purposes, such as proof of enrollment in Southwestern College, scheduled appointments, obtaining student discounts. We please ask you that you do not skip getting your student ID. Thank you! So now we're going to officially start with opening our web browser and searching up Southwestern College. And click on the SWC official page. Now that we are in the welcome page, we will go directly to the red upper bar menu and we will select the option Student Life. And we will continuously select Student Activities. Scroll down through the page until we find the Student ID section. But before we begin, we will first need to take two pictures. The first picture will be a government issue ID card for identity verification purposes. It can be any US state ID or driver license, passport, Century Pass, or an old high school ID card. And for the second picture, it will be a picture of yourself against a plain light colored wall, and this is for your ID card. In the following slide, I will list all the important information that you have to take a notice for the picture. Now that we already have the two pictures ready, we can proceed to fill out the form for the ID card. This form is going to require your email, preferably your Southwestern email, Southwestern ID number only, your first name and last name. Make sure you write it down the same way as your college application, your cell phone number, and lastly, you will be attaching the pictures you took beforehand. The first upload will be your picture of a valid ID card, and the second will be the photo of yourself for the Southwestern ID card. After uploading your pictures, we're gonna answer to the last question and we're gonna click next so that we can submit our ID request form. And you're all set. After submission, please allow up to 1 week for student activities to process your request. Once your enrollment in courses has been confirmed and the card has been printed, you will receive an email with instructions for picking up your card. Thank you for watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.